Join me as I challenge myself to save $1,000 in just 1 month using these simple strategies. We all know the importance of saving money, especially in today's economy, where financial security is more crucial than ever. Having a solid savings plan can be the difference between financial freedom and being stuck in debt. I'm sure many of you can relate to the struggle of trying to save money. It feels like no matter how hard you try, unexpected expenses always seem to pop up, and before you know it, your entire budget is blown. Or maybe you're just not sure where to start, and the idea of saving money feels overwhelming. Maybe you're someone who tries to adhere to a strict budget, but somehow always ends up overspending. Or maybe you just can't seem to resist those impulse buys, and before you know it, your hard-earned cash is gone. Whatever the case may be, it's clear that saving money is easier said than done. And let's be real, it's not like we're trying to save a small amount of money. We're talking about saving $1,000, which can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not used to saving. But trust me, it's doable. And today I'm going to share with you some simple strategies that will get you started. One of the first strategies I want to share with you is to cut back on unnecessary subscriptions. Think about it. How many subscription services do you have that you barely even use? Whether it's a gym membership, a streaming service, or a monthly delivery of skincare products, these expenses can add up quickly. Another strategy is to start meal prepping. Eating out can be so tempting, especially when you're short on time, but it's a huge money sucker. By meal prepping, you'll not only save money, but you'll also be eating healthier. And here's another one. Sell items you no longer need. Decluttering your living space can be therapeutic, and you can make some extra cash in the process. Whether it's old electronics, clothes, or furniture, there's bound to be something you can sell. I also want to share with you a strategy that might seem small, but can make a big impact. Use cashback apps. There are so many apps out there that offer cashback on certain purchases, and it's basically free money. I want to share with you a story about someone who used these strategies to save a significant amount of money in a short amount of time. Sarah, a single mom of 2, was struggling to make ends meet. She was working multiple jobs just to pay the bills, but she knew she needed to start saving for her kids' future. She started by cutting back on unnecessary expenses, like her daily coffee runs and monthly subscription services. She also started meal prepping, which not only saved her money, but also helped her eat healthier. And in just a few months, she was able to save over $1,000. The key to Sarah's success was her consistency and commitment to her goals. She didn't try to cut back on everything at once. She started small and gradually worked her way up. And the results were amazing. So, to recap, we've talked about some simple strategies you can implement today to start saving money. From cutting back on unnecessary subscriptions to meal prepping and using cashback apps, it's all about making small changes that can add up over time. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Saving money takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and a bit of determination, you can reach your goals. So be sure to share your own money-saving tips in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about budgeting techniques, be sure to check out my next video.